Hi, I'm Aaron Minc, attorney and CEO of Minc Law, the nation's leading law firm in online defamation, harassment, sextortion, and digital risk protection. If you're facing an online challenge that threatens your reputation or peace of mind, you need a legal partner that you can trust. Here are 3 reasons why Minc Law should be your first choice. Number 1, we are licensed professionals you can trust. With Minc Law, you gain a partner that values integrity and confidentiality. Unlike other providers who claim to have your best interests at heart, at Minc Law, we're actually licensed professionals that are ethically bound to serve your best interests. We understand the sensitivity and urgency of online issues, and we handle each case with the utmost care it deserves. We offer a personalized approach. Your case isn't just another file on our desk, it's your life, it's your business, it's your reputation. Our team of dedicated attorneys and paralegals and support staff ensures that you are heard, understood, and guided every step of the way. Second, our focus is unmatched. We don't just dabble in digital law, we live it and breathe it. While general practice firms may claim to offer similar services, our entire infrastructure, our entire firm is designed around mastering this one niche. From the latest in cyber investigation tools to pioneering legal strategies, our expertise is specialized and current. Our attorneys are not only active in the courtroom, but also in the community, educating the public and shaping the future of our field. This isn't just a job, it's our passion, it's our purpose. Lastly, no one, and I mean no one, matches our track record for success. We've successfully navigated thousands of cases related to online defamation and reputation attacks. We leverage years of extensive experience to craft solutions that other law firms and companies simply do not see and cannot see because they have not been there and they have not done that before. But what matters most is how we use that experience to help you. We don't just promise results, we deliver them. And this is why individuals and businesses across the nation choose Minc Law when they face the most pertinent online challenges to their reputation. In the end, choosing Minc Law means opting for a team that's invested in your online reputation as much as you are. Reach out today and let's discuss how we can help you regain control of your online presence. I'll talk to you soon.